Hey y'all, it's Will the Welder here with SnowPlowNews.com. We're at the Work Truck Show showing our top innovations, and here's one of them. This is from LiftGator. They just had a big change in their company. They moved from Texas to North Dakota, and they redesigned the LiftGator to completely be ready for winter weather. Now it has a sealed wiring harness, zinc-plated components, and heavier jacks and everything else on this particular unit. This right here is going to be a game changer in the snow removal business. Instead of having a workers' comp claim from you guys trying to load up your very heavy sidewalk equipment, whether it's your snow raider, your snow blower, your push salt spreaders, you can pick up 1,300 pounds with this unit and put in the back of a pickup truck. So you don't have to fight a set of ramps and have it slide off and somebody get hurt. This is a workers' comp reduction claim. The nice thing is it's universal. It fits on absolutely any truck out there with a 2-inch trailer hitch and a 7-pin RV connector. So this right here is going to be a game changer with your sidewalk crews because it go on any of your sidewalk crew vehicles and make a big thing. So this is an innovation here that I absolutely love. It's going to be a game changer in the snow business.